Our world is an electrifying machine running on the inventions of electrifying men. These types of men have created the machine that we know as our modern world. Men like Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla's leadership in electricity created the most significant legacy in electrical innovation by inspiring the future of invention while prolonging the race for safe electricity despite vindictive persecution from Edison. Nikola Tesla was born in modern-day Croatia in 1856. He went to school at the University of Graz to further his education about electricity. Nikola Tesla came to the U.S. in 1884 to continue working in the field of electricity. He was hired by Edison, then quit after being fooled in a bet with his employer. Tesla then went after an endless dream of creating the future by creating new inventions and patents like no other inventor before him has ever created. The alternating current was Tesla's opinion on how electricity should be, while Edison and his supporters used direct current.
Originally, people were using DC or direct current, uh, and the problem is that over long distances, the losses for DC were very high because there was no good way to lower the current. It turns out losses are related to the current, whereas with AC, you could use something called a transformer to lower current for transmission over long distances. So basically, the AC allowed the use of transformers, which made transmission over long distances feasible. In the generators, there's a part of the generator called the rotor that is spinning, and each time that it spins or goes around, it produces a change in the voltage. The voltage goes up and then the voltage goes down, so that's the alternating part. And that the fact that the voltage is changing, the current then is changing, is what is needed to make a transformer work. It turns out that in order to have a transformer, you need to have an alternating voltage. Building a power system from scratch today, if we didn't have anything, we probably would actually use DC now because technology has changed. But because of this battle between Westinghouse and Edison, or Tesla and Westinghouse versus Edison, AC won out. At the time, it was clearly a better technology. And basically, once people started using that and building systems, our present system is just the growth of the original. So we have what we have today because that's what emerged back in the 1880s and 1890s as the best solution. DC, the predecessor, was an easy way to make a motor. The same machine that you had as a generator could actually be operated as a motor. What Tesla found with AC was a way to make an inexpensive motor, and that is called an induction motor. So he invented that and patented that, and that was important because originally people had just used electricity for lighting, but as they got more used to it, they wanted to use it to drive motors, to drive pumps and equipment in factories, and so you needed a way to convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. And so Tesla, by inventing the induction machine, made that possible with AC. And so that gave AC a big boost.
Nikola Tesla was one of the leading pioneers in electrical engineering in the early 1900s. Inventions like the alternating current sparked Tesla's potential. Soon after, Tesla started creating even more inventions that would benefit the future. Soon after coming to the U.S., Tesla was hired by Thomas Edison. During the time Tesla worked for Edison, He showed leadership by beating Edison in a bet and by doing so, inventing the alternating current. After Nikola Tesla won, Edison said, "You do not understand our American humor." Tesla later quit to pursue his idea of electricity. Nikola Tesla's legacy is all around us, from the Tesla coils to Wardenclyffe Tower. Tesla's innovation makes up his diverse legacy. The alternating current, one of his many inventions, is still used today, using Tesla's legacy to inspire the future of inventors. Part of Tesla's legacy is Thomas Edison. Their rivalry is what helped make them famous today.
Nikola Tesla died on January 7th, 1943. Even though Nikola Tesla is dead, all of Tesla's inventions live on today, and his legacy lives too. His legacy has inspired many inventors and inventions. Nikola Tesla is one of the innovators that changed our world. He showed leadership in the electricity era, which paved the way for his legacy that is our world.